Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Business Profile for map ranking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Google Business Profile, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Business Profile website. Click on the Manage Now button. Sign in with your Google account, or create a new one if you don't have an account. Enter your business name in the provided field. Select the appropriate business category from the drop-down menu. Click Next to proceed. Enter your business address accurately. If your business serves customers outside this address, check the box that applies. Specify the areas you serve, if necessary. Click Next to move on. Input your business phone number or website URL. Click Next to continue. Choose whether you want to receive verification via mail, phone, or email. Follow the specific instructions for your chosen verification method. Once verified, your business profile will be created. Complete your profile by adding essential information such as business hours. Upload high-quality images of your business and offerings. Add a brief description that highlights what makes your business unique. Update any additional information that may enhance your profile. Review all the details to ensure accuracy. Finalize your registration by clicking the Finish button. Monitor your Google Business Profile for updates and customer interactions. Start engaging with customer reviews and questions as they come in. Optimize your profile regularly for better map ranking and visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.